sa confidential files, inilalad lamang ba ninyo ang inyong audit findings o at hindi kayo nagbibigay ng legal na konklusyon hinggil sa pagkakaroon ng kawalan ng pananagutan? Is it based on your audit findings or ano lang, legal conclusion hinggil sa pagkakaroon ng liability?
Based po sa audit findings, Your Honor. Kasi nilalagay po namin yung persons accountable dun sa aming ini-issue po.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Thank you, Senator Judge JV. Before recognizing Senator Judge Soto, Attorney Wamel, just on the point of Senator Judge Marcos, to clarify, the decision of COA with respect to any appeal is final, is executory but not final even if it is appealed before the Supreme Court, correct?
With respect to the obligation to restitution po, kahit magkaroon ng pendency ng petition for
Attorney Wamel, listen to the question, please. It is, unless a TRO is issued by the Supreme Court, it is executory but the decision is not yet final. Would that be correct?
Yung decision po, final na, Your Honor. Kasi
In-appeal nga sa Supreme Court, paano magiging final? Ikaw naman. A decision of the COA
executory na po,
appeal
Your
to
Honor.
the Supreme Court is executory unless a TRO is issued but is not yet final.
Yes po, Your Honor.
That is a correct statement.
Opo.
Thank you. Senator Judge Soto, you are recognized, sir. You may proceed when you're ready. You have 2 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. President, Mr. Presiding Officer, Mr. Witness. In your testimony, August 3, upon direct examination by the Prosecution Counsel, you were presented representative samples for selected forms. The question 845 yung gagamitan ng confidential funds ay hindi naaayon sa Joint Circular 2015-C1. Ngunit may mga acknowledgement receipts according to how I recall it na wala naman kayong observations.
Yes,
Sapagkat ang pinagamitan ng pondo ay naaayon sa nasabing circular. Tama ba?
yes po, Your Honor.
Alright, halimbawa yung acknowledgement receipt ni Mary Grace Mary Grace Piatos na
ang paggamit ng alias kundi necessity
Yes.
or practical reason, di ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
And idadivert lang yung totoong tao nasa likod ng mga alias kapag declassified na o tapos na yung tinatawag na confidential or intelligence operations. Tama, di ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
So tanong ko, meron ba kayong, wala ba kayong efforts na alamin kung sino yung mga nasa likod ng mga aliases na sinabit sa inyo?
Since document-based lang po kami, Your Honor, hindi na po. Wala na.
Yan ang susunod ng tanong. Bakit paper audit lang kayo? Wala kayong physical? Parang bitin yung inyong pagsasagawa ng audit. Kasi paano nyo malalaman kung legitimate yung pumirma doon sa acknowledgement receipts kung hindi nyo inaalam kung meron bang totoong tao na nasa likod noong mga aliases na yun.
Since what we do po in ICFAO po is compliance audit lang po, Your Honor. So kung ano lang po talaga yung provisions na nasasaad doon sa joint circular, yun lang po talaga yung ginagawa namin, Your Honor.
That brings me to my next point. Baka pwedeng i-recommenda mo na i-amend nyo yung inyong JMC.
Yung ibang ahensya na ino-audit ninyo, gumagamit rin ba sila ng alias?
We wouldn't know po kasi dun sa mga document na sinasubmit sa amin, hindi naman po naka-indicate if it is.
It's not up to you whether these are aliases or not.
Ay nakasaad po doon sa PFP o yung Physical and Financial Plan upang makapagbigay po ng ito ng tunay na authority at spending limit at hindi naman na inilalantad yung sensitive operational information.
Ang base po doon sila, dapat naka-indicate po dyan yung specific programs, activities and projects po na confidential disbursement. Yung specific confidential activities po na kanilang pagbabasihan. Since yan po ay plano, dyan po nakabase yung kanilang confidential expenses.
So the PFP is not merely a reporting form.
Yes po. Yun po yung basis for disbursement.
Dapat po bang approve at sufficiently detailed yung PFP bago ilabas o gastusin ang confidential funds? Kung magbigay lamang po ng mas detalyadong paliwanag, for example, pagkatapos magastos yung salapi, Maaari po ba nitong retroactively ma-cure ang kakulangan sa PFP? Sa original PFP?
Pwede ko.